Unleash your inner God diet secrets for a mighty physique. G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition and diet, specifically tailored for those of you looking to build a mighty godlike physique. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this video is packed with valuable insights that can help you achieve your goals. Now, I've talked a lot about training hard and pushing your limits in the gym. We all know that lifting weights and intense workouts are crucial for muscle growth. But there's another side to the story that often gets overlooked. But truth be told, building a physique worthy of the gods goes beyond just lifting heavy things. It's not just about the hours you put in at the gym, it's also about the choices you make in the kitchen. The food you consume plays a pivotal role in your muscle-building journey. It starts with what you put into your body. The nutrients, the quality of the ingredients, and the timing of your meals all contribute to your overall success. You can't out-train a bad diet, and that's a fact. That's right, mates, your diet. It's the foundation upon which your entire fitness regimen is built. Without a solid nutritional plan, all your hard work in the gym could go to waste. It's the secret weapon you need to unlock those massive muscle gains you've been chasing. Proper nutrition fuels your workouts, aids in recovery, and helps you build lean muscle mass more effectively. And trust me, I know a thing or two about packing on the muscle. Over the years, I've experimented with various diets and nutritional strategies, and I've discovered what works best for achieving that chiseled, powerful look. So, if you're ready to transform your body and unleash your inner God, stick around. We're going to break down the essential diet secrets that can take your physique to the next level. In this video, I'm going to reveal 2 powerful diet secrets that will have you looking like you just stepped out of Asgard. These tips are simple yet incredibly effective, and they can make a world of difference in your fitness journey. Get ready to feast because things are about to get legendary. We're talking about meals fit for a god, packed with nutrients that will fuel your body and help you achieve those massive gains. So, grab a pen and paper, take some notes, and let's get started on this epic journey to a mightier you. Fuel the machine. The power of protein. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall health. It's not just for bodybuilders or athletes. Everyone needs protein to maintain a healthy body. Alright, let's talk protein, the building blocks of muscle. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which are then used to repair and grow muscle tissues. This process is vital for anyone looking to improve their fitness, strength, or overall health. When you're hitting the gym hard, you're essentially breaking down those muscle fibers. This might sound counterproductive, but it's actually a necessary step in building stronger muscles. The micro tears in your muscle fibers need to be repaired, and that's where protein comes in. And how do you repair and rebuild them stronger than before? You guessed it, protein. By consuming enough protein, you provide your body with the raw materials it needs to rebuild those muscle fibers, making them bigger and stronger. Think of protein like the Asgardian steel that reforged Mjolnir. Just as the mythical hammer was made stronger, your muscles too can become more powerful with the right amount of protein. It's the secret weapon in your fitness arsenal. It provides the essential amino acids your muscles need to recover, grow, and become mightier than ever. These amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and they play a critical role in muscle synthesis and repair. Without enough protein, you're essentially shortchanging your gains. Your muscles won't have the necessary nutrients to repair and grow, leading to slower progress and potentially even muscle loss. It's like trying to build a house without enough bricks. Now, when I say protein, I'm talking about the good stuff. Not all protein sources are created equal. It's important to choose high-quality, nutrient-dense options that provide a complete profile of essential amino acids. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish are your best mates here. These sources are not only rich in protein but also low in unhealthy fats, making them ideal for supporting muscle growth and overall health. They're packed with protein and low in unhealthy fats. This combination helps you build muscle without adding unnecessary calories or unhealthy fats to your diet. But hey, I'm not saying you need to live on a diet of chicken and broccoli. Variety is key to a balanced diet, and there are plenty of other protein-rich foods that can help you meet your nutritional needs. Mix it up with some eggs, dairy products like Greek yogurt, and even plant-based sources like beans and legumes. These options provide a diverse range of nutrients and can help keep your meals interesting and satisfying. The key here is to make protein a staple in every single meal. By incorporating protein into each meal, you ensure a steady supply of amino acids to support muscle repair and growth throughout the day. Don't just relegate it to dinner. Spread your protein intake evenly across all your meals to maximize its benefits. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast such as eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. This sets the tone for the rest of the day and helps keep you full and energized. Have a protein shake after your workout to quickly replenish your muscles and kickstart the recovery process. Protein shakes are convenient and can be easily customized to fit your taste and nutritional needs. And make sure you're getting enough throughout the day. Snacks like nuts, cheese, or protein bars can help you meet your protein goals without much effort. Speaking of protein shakes, don't underestimate their power. They come in various flavors and can be a delicious way to boost your protein intake. Plus, they're perfect for those on-the-go moments when you need a quick and nutritious option. They're a convenient and efficient way to boost your protein intake, especially after an intense workout when your muscles are craving those amino acids. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly consuming protein helps maintain muscle mass and supports overall health. Just like you wouldn't skip leg day, right? Don't skimp on your protein. Both are essential for building a strong, balanced physique. Skipping either can lead to imbalances and hinder your progress. Make it a priority, and your muscles will thank you for it. By consistently providing your body with the protein it needs, you'll see better results in your fitness journey and overall health. So, fuel up and let the power of protein work its magic. The Balancing Act Macronutrients for Sustainable Gains. Now, while protein is the MVP of muscle growth, we can't forget about its trusty sidekicks, carbohydrates and fats. Protein is often hailed as the king of muscle building, and for good reason. It provides the essential amino acids that are the building blocks of muscle tissue. But focusing solely on protein is like trying to build a house with just bricks and no mortar. You need the complete package to create a strong, sustainable structure. Together, these three amigos form the mighty macronutrients, the essential fuel sources for your body. Each one plays a unique and vital role in your overall health and fitness. Carbohydrates, for instance, are not just about energy. They also help in the recovery process by replenishing glycogen stores in your muscles. Fats, on the other hand, are crucial for hormone production, which can significantly impact your muscle growth and recovery. Think of it like this. Protein is the building crew, tirelessly working to repair and rebuild those muscle fibers. Every time you lift weights or engage in resistance training, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Protein swoops in to repair these tears, making your muscles stronger and bigger over time. Carbohydrates are the energy source, providing the fuel that powers those construction workers. Without adequate carbs, your body will struggle to perform at its peak. Carbs are stored in your muscles and liver as glycogen, which is the primary fuel source during high-intensity workouts. Imagine trying to drive a car with an empty gas tank. That's what it's like to work out without enough carbohydrates. And fats? Well, they're the architects, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Healthy fats are involved in numerous bodily functions, including the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. They also provide a concentrated source of energy, which is especially important during longer endurance-based activities. Just like you wouldn't send your construction crew to work on an empty stomach, you can't expect your body to build muscle without adequate carbohydrates. Carbs are not just for energy, they also play a role in muscle recovery and growth. When you consume carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, which is then used to replenish glycogen stores in your muscles. This is crucial for recovery and for maintaining your energy levels during your next workout. They're the primary source of energy for your muscles, and without them, you'll feel sluggish, weak, and unable to push yourself to the max. This is why it's essential to consume enough carbohydrates, especially if you're engaging in high-intensity or endurance-based activities. Without sufficient carbs, your performance will suffer, and you'll find it challenging to achieve your fitness goals. But hold your horses, we're not talking about loading up on sugary drinks and processed foods. These types of carbs can lead to energy crashes and are often devoid of essential nutrients. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense sources of carbohydrates that provide sustained energy and support overall health. Choose complex carbohydrates like whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. These foods are not only rich in essential nutrients but also provide a steady release of energy, helping you power through your workouts and daily activities without the dreaded energy crash. These bad boys provide sustained energy release, keeping you fueled throughout your workouts and beyond. Complex carbs are digested more slowly than simple carbs, which means they provide a more stable source of energy. This is particularly beneficial for athletes and anyone engaging in prolonged physical activity. Now let's talk about fats, often demonized but essential for optimal muscle growth and overall health. Fats have gotten a bad rap over the years, but the truth is, they are vital for numerous bodily functions. From supporting cell structure to aiding in the production of hormones, healthy fats are indispensable. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, play a crucial role in hormone production, nutrient absorption, and even joint health. Hormones like testosterone, which is essential for muscle growth, are derived from fats. Additionally, fats help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, ensuring that your body gets the nutrients it needs to function optimally. The key here is balance. It's not about cutting out any one macronutrient, but rather ensuring that you get the right amounts of each. A balanced diet that includes protein, carbohydrates, and fats will provide your body with the comprehensive nutrition it needs to perform at its best. Aim for a diet that includes a healthy balance of all three macronutrients: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. This balanced approach will help you achieve your fitness goals more effectively and sustainably. Remember, each macronutrient has its unique role and benefits, and neglecting any one of them can hinder your progress. This will ensure your body has all the tools it needs to recover, rebuild, and power through those intense workouts. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself, and having a balanced intake of macronutrients will support muscle repair and growth, reduce the risk of injury, and improve overall performance. Remember, your body is a finely tuned machine, and it needs the right fuel to perform at its best. Just like a high-performance car requires premium fuel, your body needs a balanced intake of macronutrients to function optimally. Neglecting any one of these essential nutrients can lead to subpar performance and hinder your progress. Don't neglect any of the macronutrients. Each one plays a crucial role in your overall health and fitness. By embracing a balanced approach, you'll be setting yourself up for long-term success and sustainable gains. Embrace them all, and you'll be well on your way to achieving those godlike gains. With the right balance of protein, carbohydrates, and fats, you'll not only see improvements in your muscle growth and performance, but also in your overall health and well-being. So, fuel your body right, and watch as you reach new heights in your fitness journey. Unleash your inner God. So there you have it, mates. 2 powerful diet secrets to help you transform your body and unleash your inner God. Remember, building a physique worthy of legends goes beyond just lifting weights. It starts with fueling your body with the right nutrients. Prioritize protein, embrace the power of carbohydrates, and don't shy away from healthy fats. Find that balance, stay consistent, and I promise you, you'll see incredible results. Now go forth, my friends, and conquer those workouts with the power of 1,000 suns.